Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. I just say, listen, the general market, it looks very, very weak, and we didn't mean to scare people today, saying it could go down a lot more, but we honestly feel I don't like the price action. We had the short covering, the covering rally, everyone covering the shorts. It's turned down pretty viciously, and the price action on the market today, really great companies like Isentia Group getting absolutely hammered with great results, and it's a little bit strange. I haven't seen this sort of price action for a long, long, long time. It really is extremely bearish, and I do think just the way the market's trending, and that's what we do. We obviously look at these trends. The market's going to be going down a lot more. So I think the word is real caution out there, and that's a little bit why we put some stocks out today. Well, first of all, we took profits on, just put up here, Catapult. Some of you phoned up and said, Dave, why do you sell this? This just looks like an amazing chart. And I think it is amazing, but I think the markets are going to pull back. It is a 3-year growth story. We're not sort of meant to be going in and out of these stocks. We're meant to be holding them for the story, but these are difficult times. We've made a good little profit, 24-25% in a month. So we'll take it. The reason I'm doing that, I don't want to not be in this stock because I absolutely love it. I think the share price could go back to $2, maybe $1.80, and then we can buy it back again, and we can enjoy, make some more money out of the company. And a little bit of reason again for our negativity. We are a bit negative. We put some exchange traded funds as a buy, and one of these is the bear here. You can have a look. The bear's aligned to the Australian market. And what happens as our market obviously goes down, the bear will go up. As we put on the BBUS, now the BBUS is aligned to the American market. So I think as the American market, if it does collapse, it's potentially can make a lot of money with the BBUS. And the BBOZ, we might have a look at putting on that on tomorrow. That's a more like a geared version of our market. So this BBOZ can do particularly well if our market declines. So these exchange traded funds give us an excellent opportunity or vehicle to make money in a market which is going down. So we're sort of pretty sort of I say confident that we are going to have a pretty choppy time over the next 2 or 3 weeks. If the market does have a sharp pullback, we are anticipating it could be obviously Friday or next Monday, but we'll obviously wait and see. Another stock that we put out as a 3-year growth, which is a company we absolutely love, is Adasol. And again, when I saw the price action today on the market, I was just sort of thinking maybe we should have held this one back a little bit. But however, they reported this evening, and I think their earnings were their revenue was up something like 47%, and their earnings were up over 300%, and they beat all market estimates and forecasts, and this is an absolutely fantastic story. So hopefully tomorrow she'll have a run up. I'd be sort of pretty skeptical if she will. The way the market is at the moment, company after company is coming out with great results, and they're just being sold down. So the market just seems to be using it as an excuse to get out of positions if there's any good news. So I think at the moment it's important not to panic and just sit tight, and at the end of the day, especially with the 3-year growth stories and the 10 baggers, we're buying a story, and we're pretty confident obviously in our ability, and our track record. Equity Story proves it. I think we are the most successful ever share advice business in the history of the Australian market, and I do believe we're pretty right on with what we do. We don't panic out of stocks. We don't panic out of companies. Just because companies go down, we don't panic. At the end of the day, we'll look at the fundamentals, and if that gives us an even better opportunity to buy some more stock, we certainly will. Just having a look at one stock again. I think it's really marching on well, is XREF. This is a really absolutely love this company. These are the companies where they do the resumes, they authenticate it. Again, they're hitting great goals, and we had a chat with management today, and people are just signing up, and so many ASX 200 companies have signed up to them. and it won't be long before, I think, if you go to a company with your resume and it's not XREF, they're not going to have a look at it. So again, just put this one on your radar if you don't own it, because the share price is actually, the price action is looking pretty good in a tough market, and it looks excellent. Anyway, we'll see what happens tonight on the down. I look forward to bringing this report tomorrow night. Thank you, and good night.